Aerosol. So these are the aerosol product. The example of this aerosol are the shaving gel, which are filled into the bottles, body sprays bottle, pain relief moves and Volini are marketed. So this kind of the bottles which are delivering the internal content via this pressure chamber, so they are known as a aerosol. So the body spray, the spray bottles, those all the are known as the aerosol. Now starting with this, so definition: aerosol is a pressurized dosage form which containing the drug particle. These drug particles are emit it means come out from that bottle, emit upon the actuation when we are pressing the valve actuator, and then the product will comes out as a fine dispersion of liquid or solid material in a gaseous medium. So this is the aerosol definition. Now components of aerosol. So how we can prepare this aerosol, or we can say this propellant, container, valve and actuator and product concentration. These four parts including in the preparation of aerosol. So very first is propellant. These propellant are the liquid which produce the pressure into the container. Next is container, bottle, either it is plastic, metal, so many material are used as a container. Next is valve and actuator. We can have idea about it. This is the valve. Upper part of the valve is actuator. The gaseous part pink is propellant. The red lining is known denoting the container body, and this the bottle green is product and liquid propellant. Now propellants. So they are responsible for developing the proper pressure within the container, provide the driving force to expel the product from the container. So here propellant having two work. First they are generating the pressure into the bottle or into the container. Second is they are generating the force to expel the product from the container. Now type of propellant. So first is liquefied gaseous propellant. Second one is compressed gaseous propellant. Now some types are: type 1 propellant, which is liquefied gas. Example are the trichloromonofluoromethane, which used oral and inhalation purpose. If we are preparing the topical pharmaceutical aerosol, topical it means outer side of the body, so propane and butane are used as a propellant. Type 2 propellant B is compressed gas propellant. The carbon dioxide and nitrogen are used as propellant. Now container. So they must be withstand with the pressure as high as 140 to 180 psig. Psig is pounds per square inch gas at 30 degree Faraday. So here container should not break when we are giving the pressure, and the range of pressure is 140 to 180 psig. Now aerosol container. So metal, tin plate steel, aluminum and stainless steel. So metal like these three are used as a container. And second one is a glass. So uncoated glass and plastic coated glass is used. Now valves. So easy to open and close. They are capable of delivering the content in a desired forms such as a spray, foams, solid stream, etc. They can deliver a given amount of medicament. So type of valve is continuous spray valve and metering valves. Asthma pump is a one kind of aerosol preparation. Now valve having some different part. Very first is a deep tube. That deep tube is present into the solution of the container deep tube. After that valve housing. Next is spring. Above that spring cup is there. Next is valve cup, gasket, gasket holding the spring and actuator. So gasket is between the actuator and valve. Next is stem, another upper side is actuator, and then orifice insert. Now actuators, so these are specially designed buttons which help in delivering the drug in a desired form. If we are preparing the foam aerosol, so they are delivering the foams from the container. So this actuator helping to deliver the desired form of product. Type of actuator is spray, foam, solid stream actuator and special actuator. These are different marketedly available actuator. Last is the manufacturing of aerosol. So first we have to take the empty can, then add the product, next fit the valve, then fit the actuator, fit the valve. After fitting the valve, add the propellant at the head space. So upper part have to add the propellant for the pressure generation, and next fit the actuator. So this is the propellant, this is the aerosol.